welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be what I am packing with me in my travel like purse slash carry-on, because I am flying for at least the first part of this trip. I have one flight, so I'm going to show you guys what I normally take with me when I fly in my carry-on. I don't carry a lot, and actually what I'm going to show you is a little bit more than I normally do, but this is just what I'm packing for this trip, but I'll explain all that when we get to it. But let's just jump right in and see what I take with me on the airplane in my carry-on. Okay guys, this bag is so heavy. It's normally not this heavy, but this is a purse from 31. I don't know the name of it, like which one it is, but I did get it from 31. It's so heavy, I'm so tired already. Wow, I need to work out more. So anyway, the first thing I have in here is my laptop. Now normally I don't travel with my laptop in my, well, in a purse. If I'm gonna take it on the plane, I usually have like a backpack that I put this in, but because I'm only taking one flight, I didn't want to have a backpack and then have to deal with all that. I may not end up taking this with me. It depends on how well I am doing with my YouTube videos, but I figured I may need this to edit videos, so that's why it's in here. Next up is always in my purse whenever I travel, or my carry-on bag, and it is my iPad. So I have the iPad Pro. I have the pencil somewhere. It's not in here right now, but yeah, I just have my iPad Pro. I use this for drawing stickers. I don't have a lot of hand-drawn stickers in my shop, so I'm actually bringing this to work on some shop stuff while I'm on vacation and to draw and stuff. But I also really like watching YouTube videos on here, and so I just like to have it with me whenever I travel. It's like super nice to have, especially if I'm not bringing my laptop. I can still watch, you know, videos on here, and I know you can do that on your phone, but I just really like having this. But like I said, I am bringing this specifically to draw more handmade stickers, hand-drawn stickers. So if you guys have a request, I'll try to draw it for you guys. I don't know, but yeah, that is in here. And then I also have my Apple Pencil, which I think is at my desk right now. Normally I have a book. This time I actually have two, because I don't know which one I'm going to want to read on the plane. So the first one that I have is The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying, and it's by Marie Kondo. I think is how you say it, but it's the how do you say it? It's the KonMari. That's what it is, the KonMari method. And I have been interested in this book, so we'll see if I like it or not. Maybe it'll inspire me to clean. I definitely want to do like more organizing videos on here, so I'm hoping this will inspire me, and maybe more videos will come about like organizing. I don't know what I'm trying to say. The other book that I have is The Miracle Morning for Entrepreneurs. I actually read The Miracle Morning and I really liked it. So when I found out that they had one specifically for entrepreneurs, I wanted to pick it up and read it. So I am really excited to read this book. I have a couple other books I'm bringing with me on vacation. So if you guys want to see a video about like the books I'm reading or loving, or stuff that I took with me on vacation, let me know in the comments down below. I've been really into reading lately, but it's all been like, not self-help, but like professional development books is what I've been into lately. So yeah. Next up, I have my wallet. This is a Dana Buchman wallet. Self-explanatory. Has money, my cards, my license, all of that stuff that I need is in this. Next up, I have this little carrying case for my SD cards. Since I'm gonna be vlogging and doing some videos, I wanted to make sure that I had those with me, so that way it's easy to just video, you know, and I don't lose them, and I can just put them in here whenever I need to switch stuff out. I really like this. We got it off of Amazon, I think. I of course like to carry my little hand tripod, or like mini tripod. I don't really know what this is called. I actually got it with my vlogging camera, which is actually what I'm filming with today. That's another thing that is normally in my carry-on bag, is my camera, but because I'm using it, obviously I can't put it in here to show you guys. But I want to bring this along just because it is a nice like way to vlog, you know. But I keep it in my carry-on just in case I need to vlog while I'm flying. I don't know. The next thing I normally don't have in my carry-on, but because I'm going to Disney World, I need it. And this is just my magic band. This is one of the old ones. It's not even one of the newer ones that has like the little thing you can change in and out. This is like the old school ones. That's how long I've been, no, that's not how long I've been going to Disney, but I've had this for a while. I think I got this in 2015, maybe, I don't know. And then I have like my little pass holder things. I actually should have more. I think this is like my 4th or 5th year of being an annual pass holder. So, but yeah, so I need this so I can get into the parks whenever I get there. I like to have a pen. This is my favorite. It's the Paper Mate Ink Joy Gel 0.7. I do not like the 0.5s. I like the 0.7s, and this one is just black. It's just a basic pen in case you need to write something down, or somebody needs to write something down and you of course don't have a pen. Another travel necessity, or just a what's in my purse necessity for me anyway, is Advil, because I get headaches. I have a lot of back problems, and so my back will start hurting, and I need something to help with the pain. My back's actually hurting right now, so I should probably take something for it. But this is just, I need this. Like I said, I do have a lot of like muscle problems and back problems just within this year. Guys, if you guys want me to do like a story time on this, the chiropractor kind of screwed up my back. So I might do a story time on that. It wasn't like intentional, so I'm not like mad or anything, but like it's created a lot of problems for me this year. So if you guys want to hear my back drama, let me know in the comments down below, but Advil is definitely a must for me. I think on this trip I'm actually going to pack my other camera also. So I have the little charger for that, and my camera is like in the other room. I didn't put it in here, I don't know why, but I probably will have my other camera. It's the Sony A5100, I believe, and I like that one for taking pictures. I do sometimes vlog on it and do video, so I don't know, we'll see. I just like to take it with me on vacation in case like I want to get like really good pictures or video. It is a really nice camera. I prefer the Canon G7X Mark II for my vlogging, but the other camera does a great job vlogging also. It's just like it only lets you record for like 10 minutes before it overheats, and it's kind of a pain. Plus you have to take off the lens cap, whereas this one has the retractable lens. That's not the right terminology, I think, but like the lens goes back into the camera, whereas the other one doesn't, so you have to like hold on to the lens cap. It's first world problems, really. It's really not that big of a deal, but I do like it for taking pictures, so I am gonna bring that, and this is the little charger. That was such a long explanation for that, sorry. All right, and then the last thing that I keep in my carry-on slash purse is my phone. I love Disney, as you can tell, so I got this case at Disney World last time I was there. But yeah, I just have my phone so that way I can keep track of my whole life. That sounds dramatic, like my whole life is on the phone, but that way I can like, well, I mean, it's self-explanatory. Like I need my phone. I guess I don't need it, but I like to have it so I can contact people and whatever, and so this was in my purse. All right guys, so that is everything that I keep with me in my purse slash carry-on bag. Like I said, some of this stuff I normally don't have with me. In fact, most of the time I have a different purse, but this one is just the one that I'm taking with me to like carry on and stuff. I have like a smaller purse that just has like the basics in it, because I'm not really high maintenance when it comes to my everyday purse. But if you guys want to see what's in my everyday purse, I'll show you guys. It's pretty boring, to be honest. Actually, there's some spray hand sanitizer in the other one that I'm actually gonna be putting in here. I just forgot it. Typical, I forgot it. I'm still in the process of packing, so forgive me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you guys want to see more content from me, and if you want to be notified every time that I upload, click the little bell button, the bell notification, and YouTube will email you whenever I upload, so you won't miss my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.